Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you a product today that I absolutely love, and I'm going to do a comparison to what you usually would use compared to an FM product. So the product is the Vivid Coloured Laundry Liquid. It is 1000 ml. It cost me £5.50 as a business partner. It would sell in the book for £6.50, but I've saved money straight away. It also gave me a points value. So like points means prizes in our business, that also means additional income. So why not get your points from your own business? So this is what I've done. I've got the Vivid Colours Laundry Liquid for £5.50. It's 1000 ml. So it's even more value for money, not only because I bought it from my own business, but because I bought a massive quantity, a litre bottle, compared to the standard one. This one costs you, it depends when it's on offer, isn't it? So if you don't have any of this in stock, then you're going to pick one up off the shelf. But I've just ripped myself off with it, really, because I think this was about £5.50, and you only get 888 mils in it. So if you're anybody like me, you never go by what it says on the box at the back. I'll give it a good square in. So straight away I'm using more product than I need to. So as I say, this I think this was probably about £5.50, the same price as what you get for 1000 mils. And what's in this one? So let me tell you, it's got the active enzymes, which really helps protect your clothes. It's got colour protection. It works at low temperatures, including hand wash, so you can use machine or hand wash with it. It's got added softener. Now, this is the best bit, because we all know what our laundry likes to smell nice. So it's got apple and green cucumber in, magnolia, lily of the valley, rose and violet. And that is just going to last so much longer than your 888 ml bottle. So it's a win-win. So if you do want to order some, comment below, or why not join as a preferred customer? It's completely free. You don't have to sign up your life away or anything. Just order at wholesale price. Simple. Speak to you all soon. Bye.